Beyond your charts, 12andus is a community. Your community hub is where you connect through your profile, members, messages, articles, and the reading library. Your profile is yours to shape. To anyone who isn't your friend, only your gender, your age in years, and your country, never your tone, along with your About Me, are visible. This is also where you set your own preferred house system and zodiac system. In members, you can search the whole community by gender, place, age, and even astrological placements to find the people whose charts resonate with yours. With messages, you can talk privately with anyone on 12andus in a natural, flowing conversation. In articles, read in-depth astrological reflections, drawing on psychology, mythology, and the spiritual. And the library opens hundreds of thousands of readings. Birth charts, synastry, composite, and transits, searchable by any placement across many languages. People, ideas, and a whole library of cosmic insight, all part of your 12 and Us.